Hey guys, I'm Anita. Last week I bought new sunglasses from FORWOOD. So FORWOOD are a sustainable brand that makes sunglasses out of sustainable wood, obviously, and like recycled wood and that kind of thing. I'm super excited to show you what I got. So they include a super cute little card that says thank you for your order, and then it says every time we choose what we are going to wear, we make a statement about who we are. And I've decided to choose the black Lux Sunnies. So they're black sandalwood. They come well wrapped up, which is nice. Oh man. They come in this super cute little wood case, which is so cool, oh my god. It says FORWOOD engraved on it. And this is hard, so nothing's gonna hurt your sunnies. And then show you the pouch first. They come with a nice little grey pouch so you can protect your sunglasses. And then here are these bad boys. These ones. They have a cute little tag again that says Wood Originals Collection. So cool, they're polarized. Woohoo! Oh, they fit like a dream, they're so nice. Thanks so much for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this little talk about these sunnies. I'll hopefully do some kind of review about them soon, so watch out for that. And yeah, I'll catch you around next time. Bye! Hey guys! Oh god, I was looking at the lens.